Venice, with its famous waterways and beautiful buildings, is losing official residents at a rapid rate. That's why this mock funeral procession was recently held in the city. Gondolas and motorboats took part in the event along Venice's Grand Canal. The leading gondola carried a bright pink coffin, symbolizing the death of the city. On other boats, black-clad residents mourned. With a population now below 60,000, Venice is approaching the dread status of living museum. The residents' ticker in a central Venice pharmacy is a reminder of the falling numbers.
It's not just that the population number is diminishing, but the fact that a certain quality of life is being lost, a way of life which is exclusive to this city.
Locals are being forced out of the historic center as they search for cheaper housing and easier living conditions on the mainland. Native Venetians have become scarce. Matteo Secchi, one of the organizers of the funeral for the demographic decline, says their message is clear.
We want to restart Venice in a new concept of Venice life. We want to find the new inhabitants of Venice, because Venice is going to be a Disneyland in a few years. A city needs to be visited but also lived.
Fears have been mounting that Venice could, in a matter of years, belong only to tourists. 20 million visit the city every year. Souvenir shops selling traditional Venetian masks are everywhere. City officials point out that there are thousands of unofficial residents of Venice, students and island inhabitants, who don't officially register. But City Councillor Mara Rumis says authorities are aware they cannot ignore the problem of the shrinking population any longer.
It's clear that two shortages need to be radically addressed: jobs and homes. What must be avoided at all costs is that this city becomes nothing but a tourist destination.
The mock funeral was an effort to raise public awareness about a problem that has existed in Venice for years, but now needs urgent attention. Venetians say solution must be found to reverse the trend of residents leaving the city. Sabina Castelfranco, VOA News, Venice.